Hello guys, review Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus. Open box, look completation. In completation we have device and adapter for charging, Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C, and this we have protected back cover. Okay, good completation. Now turn device. We have AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, 144 Hz. On this side power button, triple camera on the back side, Type-C port on the downside, and on this side buttons for warm buttons. Okay, open settings. We have Android 15. Okay, and open Geekbench 6. We have CPU Dimensity 8350 Ultimate and GPU Mali G650. Results, perfect results, and look into the benchmark results. Okay, very powerful. PUBG Mobile, start, and look how this game works on a device. Okay, game load, and works on the max graphic level. This is not maximum level, but this is very high level. And game works very good. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.